Kamusta? Today I will show you how to replace the rear turn signal bulb on a Toyota Wigo. One annoying sign that you need to replace your turn signal bulb is when it starts to blink rapidly. Ito yung tinatawag nilang hyper flashes whenever you're making a turn. Ito yung mga kailangan natin. 1 or 2 signal bulbs, ratchet wrench, 3/8" drive, 10mm socket, 3/8" drive, at isang malinis na basahan. We need to open the back door. There are 2 small bolts that we need to take out. We'll be using a wrench and socket. Turn this tool counterclockwise. Kapag maluwag na, we can simply use the deep socket to remove the bolts completely. We will now partly detach the rear lamp cover from the vehicle. Maglagay ng basahan sa ilalim at gilid ng rear lamp cover to prevent its edges from scratching the bumper cover o yung side panel. That's where the busted turn signal bulb is located. We'll be using our thumb and index finger to hold the assembly, then turn it pakaliwa. We also need to detach a wire from a harness under the signal bulb before we can pull it out. Remove the old bulb by pulling it out from the piece that holds it. Get the new bulb, then put it in. It would still work regardless on how you insert it. So, sinubukan ko yun. We'll now test the new bulb. We will turn the key to the on position, then turn the signal stick to the left. If it's working fine, turn the key to the lock setting. Ibabalik na natin ang bulb on its socket properly. Once it's already all the way in, turn the bulb clockwise o pakanan. Tanggalin ang basahan so we can put back the rear lamp cover. Ibalik ang bolts. Higpitan ang mga ito. So whenever you're on the road, don't forget to signal your intentions. Kakanan ka ba? Diretso, hihinto o kakaliwa? Kasi mahalaga yon para sa ibang mga drivers at pedestrians at para makaiwas tayo sa aksidente. It's important to signal our intentions. I hope marami kayong natutunan, and I hope this would challenge you to replace the turn signal bulb on your vehicle by yourself. I would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing, and God bless you, and I'll see you soon.